infinity as x tends to 0 plus. Is this what you want to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just explain the log function again. Now the value of, what is value of log 1?
0.
0.
0, ma'am.
And log is a increasing
Increasing
function.
function. Yeah.
Okay, so that means if we take values of x smaller than 1, the value of log x, so if you take x less than 1, provided x is positive, so in that case value of log x will be less than log 1, which is 0. So values of log of any number which is slightly lesser than 1 becomes equal to becomes a negative value, and as x tends to 0, so that means when you becomes take values smaller and smaller, so in that case what will happen is this will tend to, so you have also seen there is an asymptote. I think I had explained when we were doing that. So this line, vertical line, is an asymptote, and log of 1, this is your log graph. It is meeting the x-axis at 1. Log 1 is 0, and then it is becoming negative. So it will keep going down, and then this line, the y-axis, becomes an asymptote. After this, it is rising. Okay, so whatever shape it can take. But we need to see this behavior, that when it is approaching the line x equal to 0, your y-axis, the graph is becoming almost parallel to the y-axis, and it is moving in the downward direction. So this expression is going to tend to minus infinity as your x tends to 0 from the positive side. So you are moving towards the y-axis from the positive side, and your function value is tending to minus infinity. Okay, it is not going to tend to plus infinity, so this part is going to tend to minus infinity. So what will happen to this entire expression? This will be of this format. You already have a minus sign here, and since this is tending to minus infinity, this part will also this whole thing will tend to plus infinity. Now what value is this? You have a very big number and you add another very big number to that,
Infinity.
so it is infinity. Okay, so limit of this is infinity, and you will not, so it is giving a false impression. Okay, it is giving a false impression that it is an indeterminate form of this type, and so we need to apply the L'Hopital's rule or something like that, but it is not that case. Okay, it is not giving us that particular value when we actually substitute. So you have to be very careful before you can apply the rule. Okay, just be careful and check whether it is the same format or whether that rule is applicable or not. Okay,